Hi, in this video I will share how to crochet twisted headband. There are a few ways that you can make it, and this video is using one of the methods how to twist and crochet the headband. So I'm using weight number 4 yarn, and I will be using 2 strands, and my hook is 5.5 millimeters. So let's get started. Make a knot, and then this is for adult, so you will need chain 52. Once you have the number of stitches, go through the chain and connect. Make sure it's not twisted. So go to the first chain and pull through those two. Make first slip stitch. Now let's make one single crochet, one and another single crochet. Now let's make half double crochet, one, and now let's continue with double crochet. Just like this. And now go around with all double crochet all around. To each chain, one double crochet all around. So I'm finishing my first row. So now I'm at the point when I started. So the headband is not twisted yet. We just went through the first row. Now just go ahead and twist it like this. And I will continue my double crochet. So I was like this when I finished the first row. Now I'm just twisting like that, and I will continue my double crochet into very next stitch here. Okay, so I will insert into that stitch here, so I don't have that space, and I make double crochet here, and now I will go into my next stitch and make double crochet. Nice and smooth. We will hide those weave ends nicely and very nicely. So we just will go now around with all double crochet. Into each stitch, and let's see how it looks from this and from that side. And the twist could be on here on front, where we changed, where we twisted. Nice and smooth, and just go around like this. You just continue as wide. So we go now in circle, and we make sure we finish the headband right here in that part, and that's going to be our twist, the front of the headband. So I probably crochet until I have 4 inches wide. So will be about approximately 6 rows, total 6 rows or so. About 4 inches. So I'm finishing my second row. And as you can see, the headband is twisted. So finishing my second row, and I insert into each stitch with all double crochet. Under 2 strands. I want to go under 2. This is where I want to go. So again, this will be my front where I twisted. The back is going to be right here, and this is going to be my front. That twist will be right here. And I will continue a few additional rows. I will make probably 6 rows until I have 6 rows 4 inches. So I'm at the point where I went around a few rows, and now I'm at the point where I started. So you will finish the headband the same way as we started. So we'll go and make half double crochet, just like that. Now we'll make 2 single crochet, and now we'll make slip stitch. So we finished the headband. Just cut that yarn and hide the ends, and the headband will be twisted just like this. Just like that. This is the back, and this is the front. Till we hide the ends, will be very nice. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.